This video is sponsored by Unity, and if you want to get any of these assets that we're going to talk about in this video, affiliate links will be in the description, and it'll help us out a ton. For starters, we got the Big Castle kit, which I feel like is definitely worth it if you're building a big RPG, or just any 3D game with a medieval setting. I really got to start making more Is It Worth It videos. The next one that I've been meaning to get is the fantastic city generator. This thing is awesome, especially if you're making something like Cyberpunk or a Grand Theft Auto clone. Unless you're making a retro game, I would definitely replace the buildings with some higher end ones. But other than that, this will save hundreds of hours of time to build a big, nice city for your game. That being said, it is extremely pricey, so I honestly wouldn't purchase this unless I absolutely needed to, or during a sale like this. This asset will be 70% off on the 17th. Speaking of pricey assets, some of the Kitbash 3D assets will be available during this sale. Kitbash 3D is known for making these beautiful, huge assets and having all of these crazy packs that would look great in a game, except their triangle count is ridiculous. If they were a little more developer friendly, they might be worth their $200 price tag that they normally have, or if you make movies instead of video games, but getting them 70% off means they'll be about $60. If you want to see what it's like to work with Kitbash, they actually have this package, which is $0. They'll do these competitions every now and then with these tiny free packs, and this will give you an idea of what you're working with before you buy anything, so that's pretty cool. Now, $60 might sound pricey for unoptimized assets for your game, but if you can fit these into your game, they will look amazing. Again, at $60, not $200. Another one that I just got to recommend is the Invector third-person controller. This asset is extremely user-friendly, some crazy games have already been made with it, and some crazy games are in development right now. Other great assets in the half-off sale are things like the top-down engine, the Odin Inspector, Playmaker, Final IK, Pathfinding, and my personal favorite, the dialogue system for Unity by Pixel Crushers, and just a ton of other cool stuff. This Black Friday sale is going to last about 3 weeks. And as indie game developers, time is money because most of us don't have that big of a budget to support this. So saving any amount of time that you can with these assets is crucial. Thank you so much for watching. Again, affiliate links in the description below. It'll help us out a ton if you use them if you decide to purchase anything. And we'll see you later.